YouTube, what's up? It's been a while. I wanted to check back in and just give you guys an update as to what's going on with my 12-valve build here. It's the last time I checked in with a real video, it's probably been, I don't know, 6 months or something like that, but there's been a lot of progress. If you look back at some of my older videos, you'll see that most of this hasn't been in, but as of right now, the full drivetrain is in. The first time in about 7 years that the actual wheels have been locked to the transmission and motor all connected in one. That's a good feeling. Excuse me. The fuel system is started. My sump, you can see there, I put that in a long time ago. Just mounted the air dog. Kind of iffy about it being on the outside of the frame rail, but that might change. Right now, that's where it is. We'll see. If anything, it might change to right in here, but the brake lines are what made me go to the outside. Anyways, oil is actually in the engine for the first time in 6 years. So I don't know why. That makes me feel good. But anyways, this has to come back out. I need to clean and paint my intercooler still, all that stuff, and I need to route the wiring around the front of the motor. So as you can see there, I'm working on cleaning the wiring. I'm going through it, any loose electrical tape, all the grease, grime, and shit that's on it. Like, let me see if I can get that to focus in there. You know, that just looks like shit. And that's just coming apart. You can see the dirt on my hands. So I already did one piece, the whole back section. That's what's in. You can see everything that goes to my tail lights. They're hanging back there. So that's just boring stuff. That's why I haven't really done any videos. The cab, I have the cab up on my makeshift lift here. So I'm excited about this. I actually am working on cutting a hole where the four-wheel drive lever comes in, because this is a 1500 cab and this was a 2500, 95 versus 99. So I don't know if it's the year difference or the difference in chassis to say between the 1500 and the 2500, but there is a difference in the hole and four-wheel drive mechanism lever. This is the one out of the 1500. See how small that is? That's the one that's out of the 2500 Cummins. So anyways, I've been working on a template and going off of pictures that I had when I took it apart. There's my template. That's where I'm about to cut that hole out. You can see the difference there. So I need to do that. I need to get the wiring done. I need to get the fuel done. And I need to crawl underneath here and wire wheel all this crap off of here. Clean it all up. And then undercoat it again. Up to right here where you can see where I painted the firewall. There's some not so great spots. That's the worst right there. So we're gonna have to see what happens there. I don't know if I'm gonna have to really repair anything or just clean it up. We'll see. The rest of it's pretty good. That just looks like shit, but it's solid. Right there is gonna be a bigger hole. And that's where we're at. So anyways, work is getting done. It's just boring shit, and I don't want to bore you. I bore you anyways. I'm sure this was boring, but you know how it goes. Like, subscribe, comment, tell me I'm doing a shitty job, tell me I'm doing a great job, tell me what I'm doing good, tell me what I'm doing bad, tell me what I'm doing right, tell me what I'm doing wrong. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.